Welcome to this lesson on slang. Slang refers to informal words and phrases that people use in everyday conversation. It's a crucial part of how native English speakers actually communicate. Throughout this video, we'll explore what slang is, why it matters, and how you can start using it naturally. So what exactly is slang? Slang is informal language. It consists of casual words and phrases that people use when they're talking to friends, family, or people they know well. Slang is also group-specific. Different communities, age groups, and regions have their own slang terms. For example, teenagers might use different slang than professionals, or people from different countries might use different words. Why should you learn slang? First, understanding slang helps you watch movies, television shows, and listen to music without getting confused. Second, learning slang helps you connect better with native speakers. When you use appropriate slang, you sound more natural and fluent. Native speakers will appreciate that you understand their way of talking. There are different types of slang you should know about. Regional slang is specific to certain countries or areas. For example, Australian slang is different from American slang. Professional slang is used in specific jobs or industries like medicine, law, or technology. Internet slang comes from online communities and social media platforms. This type of slang changes very quickly as new trends emerge online. Let's look at some common slang examples. When someone says "that's lit," they mean something is exciting or awesome. If someone says "I'm ghosting you," it means they're suddenly stopping communication with you, usually without explanation. These are modern slang terms that you'll hear frequently in casual conversations. Here are more examples you should know. When someone asks what's good, they're asking how you are or what's happening, not literally asking about something that's good. No cap is a slang phrase meaning no lie or I'm telling the truth. The word cap means to lie or exaggerate, so no cap means you're being honest. Here are 3 important tips for using slang. First, use slang with people you know well. Don't use slang in formal situations like job interviews or professional meetings. Second, avoid using slang in formal situations. Third, always listen before you try to use slang yourself. Pay attention to how native speakers use these words so you understand the context and tone correctly. Let's summarize what we've learned. Slang is informal language used in everyday conversation by native speakers. Learning slang helps you understand native speakers better and makes you sound more natural when you speak. Use context and audience to decide when to use slang. Remember that slang is informal, so it's appropriate with friends but not in formal settings. With practice and exposure, you'll develop a natural sense of when and how to use slang appropriately.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.